Hello everyone! Today I just wanted to make a little video talking about the DJI Digital HD FPV system and mostly, specifically this radio. I've had the DJI FPV system for a couple of weeks now and I really love it, but I'm struggling a little bit to get used to the form factor of this radio. Before I got this, for the last two and a half years I've been using this Turnigy Evolution radio, which is more of a gamepad or like an Xbox controller style radio, and I really like this, and I'm so used to it that it's really hard to go to a more traditional style radio like this one. So I think I would like to get a lot more flight time on a radio like this so I can get used to it and get better at flying with it. And to do that, I thought the best way would be to connect this up to my computer and fly in a flight simulator. And to do that, I did a little bit of looking, and DJI has this, maybe it's called a trainer port or a PPM port on the bottom of the radio here. And to use that, you're going to need what looks like a 3.5 millimeter like mono headphone type jack cable, and that goes to a USB port. I just happen to have this one kind of just laying around. I used it for an RC car simulator a few years ago, and it connected to my I think I have it here. It connected to my Turnigy, oops, battery's falling out, Turnigy car radio controller. And I happened to plug this in and I discovered that this does work. There are others out there I'm sure that work as well, and I'll try to post some pictures and links to those. And if there's confirmation from other people that have used those, that would be awesome. Oh, pick up this battery. So anyway, what you're going to want to do to use this DJI radio with a flight simulator is get this plugged into your radio, plug this into your computer, and then from there I think I'm going to show you on the computer how to do it. Okay, so now that you've got your DJI radio connected to your computer using that funny little USB to headphone style jack cable, you're going to want to turn your radio on, fire up Liftoff. Here we can see I've got Liftoff running, and you're going to want to go into the options and go to the controls, click on the controller. Okay, so now you're here at the calibration step, and when you move your sticks around you probably won't notice anything moving at all. So to make everything work, you have to go start the calibration, follow their instructions, move the sticks around in all these different directions. I want you to center the sticks, and then I'm going to just fast forward and jump through all of this. It's pretty basic. Just follow the instructions, move the sticks around as they tell you to, and when you're done, your radio should be mostly calibrated. Okay, now I've got that quick calibration all done, and I can see that everything's kind of jittery and jumping around a bit, and I think that's because my deadband is not set very well. I'm going to go to fine tune, and I'm going to move the 0 point of my throttle up just a little bit, and I'm going to move the deadband up just a little bit on all of these, and then I'm going to save. And now once you've got that all calibrated, you can just go try out a free flight. I'll pick a level. Let's see. Where is Joshua Bardwell's house? Oh, there we go. Let's go to Bardwell's yard. No track. And can grab my drone I've pre-configured before. And here we go. Now I'm ready to fly. Throttle all the... Whoa! There's a little bit of lag because I'm trying to record my screen and fly at the same time. Doesn't work so well with the current settings I've got on here. But needless to say, the radio is working. The only thing I've discovered that, at least with the USB adapter that I currently have here, it only does 4 channels, so it only does the controls. None of the switches or knobs or dials on the radio will work. But other than that, you should be all set to use your DJI radio and fly in flight simulators, get your hands used to it, and yeah, I guess that's all I've got to say. Have fun and good luck. Oh, actually, one quick thing before I go. I should mention I'm doing this all on a MacBook Pro laptop, and I did not require any drivers or anything like that to be installed. It just worked when I plugged it in. Your mileage may vary if you're on a Windows computer. I don't have that to test, so I'm not quite sure. If anybody has done that and can provide more instructions in the comments, that would be great. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye.